plastic surgery clinic Google Maps fake review removal service cost $20.26 can surprise you. But what if you're paying for the wrong solution? Most clinics waste thousands on review removal that never works. Here's what actually happens behind the scenes. The truth is, Google doesn't just delete reviews because you ask nicely. There's a specific dispute process that follows Google's policy guidelines. And most business owners don't know how to navigate it correctly. That's where professional reputation management comes in. ReputationZilla specializes in disputing policy violating reviews on Google Maps and other platforms. They handle the technical side so you can focus on your patients. Imagine your dashboard tomorrow. Step 1. Identify which reviews actually violate Google's content policy. Not every negative review qualifies for removal. Fake reviews, spam, and conflict of interest posts do. ReputationZilla audits your listing to find the ones that break the rules. Step 2. File disputes through the proper Google channels. There's a right way and a wrong way. Professional agencies like ReputationZilla know the exact language and evidence Google requires. They submit documentation that gets reviewed by Google's team. Step 3. Monitor the dispute status and follow up. Google can take weeks to respond. ReputationZilla tracks every case and escalates when needed. They don't let your dispute sit in limbo. Step 4. Address your overall online reputation across platforms. Google Maps isn't the only place patients look. ReputationZilla offers TripAdvisor reputation management, Yelp review removal, and social media growth services. Multi-platform support protects your brand everywhere. Step 5. Build a long-term reputation strategy. Removing fake reviews is just the start. You need a system for generating authentic positive reviews. ReputationZilla helps you create processes that encourage happy patients to share their experiences. Now the numbers. Platform supported is 4+. Service approach is policy-based. Agency type is professional. Here's what it costs. 4+. Compare these two paths. DIY dispute filings often fail because you don't know Google's exact requirements. You guess at the policy violations. You submit vague complaints. Google rejects them. You waste weeks with no results. Your fake reviews stay visible. Versus, ReputationZilla knows which reviews qualify for removal under Google's guidelines. They file disputes with proper documentation. They follow up until Google responds. They handle multiple platforms, not just Google Maps. Your reputation improves while you run your clinic. Look at this detail. Warning, some services claim they can delete any review for a fee. That's a red flag. Google's review system has specific policies. Only reviews that violate those policies can be removed. Anyone promising 100% removal is lying. You'll pay, they'll disappear, and your reviews will stay. Stick with professional agencies that understand the dispute process. The biggest mistake plastic surgery clinics make? Ignoring fake reviews because they think removal is impossible. Or paying for shady services that promise guaranteed deletion. Google's system is policy-based, not pay-to-win. ReputationZilla works within those policies to dispute legitimate violations. They don't make false promises. They follow the rules that actually work in 2026. ReputationZilla offers these services, professional agency services. This is the form you fill in. Here's the full loop. Most people quit at week 2. Don't. So here's the bottom line on plastic surgery clinic Google Maps fake review removal service cost $20.26. Real removal requires following Google's dispute process correctly. ReputationZilla handles that process professionally. They audit your reviews, file proper disputes, and support multiple platforms. They don't make fake guarantees. They deliver professional reputation management that actually follows the rules. Ready to clean up your online reputation the right way? Visit ReputationZilla.org and manage your online reputation with a team that knows Google's policies inside out. Stop letting fake reviews hurt your practice. Visit https://reputationzilla.org. If this helped you, subscribe for more from ReputationZilla, and tap the link below. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.